Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can make a simple servo motor door lock. So let's get started. Now let's understand the circuit. First, coming to HC05 Bluetooth module. It consists of 6 pins, but we are considered of only 4 pins, that is VCC, ground, TX and RX. The red wire indicates VCC, black wire indicates ground, yellow wire indicates TX and orange wire indicates RX. The VCC pin of HC05 Bluetooth module will be connected to plus 5 volt pin of Arduino. The ground pin of HC05 will be connected to ground pin of Arduino. TX pin of HC05 will be connected to RX pin of Arduino and RX pin of HC05 will be connected to TX pin of Arduino. They both are interchanged, that is TX with RX and RX with TX. That's all for HC05 Bluetooth module. Now coming to servo motor, it consists of 3 pins, that is VCC, ground and output pin. The red wire indicates VCC, black wire indicates ground, yellow wire indicates output wire. The VCC pin of servo motor will be connected to plus 5 volt pin of Arduino. The ground pin of servo motor will be connected to ground pin of Arduino and the output pin of servo motor will be connected to second digital pin of Arduino. That's all for the servo motor. Now coming to LED. Its negative terminal will be connected to ground pin of Arduino and its positive terminal will be connected to 11th digital pin of Arduino. This is all for the circuit. Now let's upload the code. Once the code is uploaded, power up your Arduino. As you can see, uploading is done. Now we have to download an app known as Bluetooth SPP Pro. I will provide the link in the description. When you will open the app for the first time, it will ask you for the password to pair with HC05. The password must be 1234 or 4 times 0. Click on scan the device. You will see HC05 or with the name null. Click on that and click on connect. Then click on keyboard mode and click on the 3 dots at the top right corner. Then click on button set. Then click on any click me icon and drop that click me with one and 1. Now on the another click me, do it same but with 0 and 0. Now click on OK and click on button set complete. Now when I will press 1, the servo motor will turn left and the LED will start glow, indicating the door had been locked. Now when I will press 0, the servo motor will turn in opposite direction and the LED will turn off, indicating the door has been opened. So this is just a prototype. In the next video I will show you to make this circuit on a PCB board with full demonstration with a real door. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, comment down with more ideas that you want me making next. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.